Why Next.js is important. Next.js is a powerful React framework that enables developers to build fast, scalable, and SEO-friendly web applications. It extends React with production-ready features like server-side rendering, static site generation, routing, and API handling. 1. Server-side rendering, SSR. Next.js allows pages to be rendered on the server instead of the browser. This improves performance and SEO because search engines receive fully rendered HTML. Example: export async function get server side props, return props, message, hello from the server, export default function page, message, return and LTH1 and GT message and LT/H1. 2. Static site generation, SSG. With static site generation, pages are built at compile time. This makes applications extremely fast and secure. Example: export async function get static props, return props, posts, post 1, post 2, export default function block, posts, return posts.map, post equals and GT and LTP key equals post and GT post and LT/P and GT. 3. File-based routing. Next.js uses file-based routing, meaning you don't need extra libraries like React Router. Each file inside the pages folder automatically becomes a root. Pages/index.js registered trademark /about.js registered trademark /about blog /id.js registered trademark /blog/14. API routes. Next.js allows you to create backend APIs within the same project. This is useful for handling authentication, form submissions, or database operations. Export default function handler, REQ, res, res.status, 200.json, success, true. 5. Performance and SEO benefits. Next.js optimizes performance with automatic code splitting, image optimization, and prefetching. Built-in SEO features make it ideal for production-grade applications. Conclusion: Next.js is important because it solves real-world problems that React alone cannot. It improves performance, SEO, scalability, and developer experience, making it a top choice for modern web development.